all. And secondly, we know that you're here for the second time in Spain. And what news are you bringing?
First, I am very thankful and I am very grateful to be here. And this is the second time I am in Spain right now. Of course, first time when I came to Spain, that was very beautiful experience. And also I have so many was promise for the product. After that products I have now for Spain, which is I bring the systems, which is bring the for Spain first for the water, soil, air, and also for the fire, all kind of different solutions. With these solutions we can create very great opportunity. First is economy, second is which is creating lots of job for the people. And I am trying to manage with this, clean all kind of lake, river, and all the water problem. And also this is the second time, but it is very beautiful experience I have. I know the Spain now, what need. So I was waiting and I was preparing myself for many different source and many different problem. I can bring the solutions. I am ready now totally for the 4 elements, which is water, soil, air, and also for the fire. And this is most important for us now. I am prepared myself. I manage manufacturing facilities right now for the worldwide, and I can bring this solution and these systems in Spain very soon, which means I am ready for immediately.
More or less, what will you be teaching this weekend or showing people this weekend on the Sunday?
Yes, on Sunday I am going to teach the people how they can clean the all kind of water and how they can clean the lake, river, and also for the agriculture I'm just going to teach how they can be very successful with all kind of unbalanced soil, we call that for the agricultural. And also I will be teach the people also how they can be very good use for the all this land. And also I will teach for against the fire, for the fire extinguisher and protections. And also I will going to manage totally about the systems, which is that I created new systems for the water and also the systems for directly all the garbage dump. For this from all the garbage dump, how we can manage the toxic waste will be totally terminate for and also recycle and also become bionutrient, which is that all the garbage will be using again as protein, fish food, as protein, animal food. Also it will be excellent for the industrial use. So I am going to teach the people how the system work. All kind of waste will be not anymore waste in Spain, and I am going to manage with many municipalities to make all kind of beautiful opportunity. From now on, toxic waste will be not anymore toxic waste. Toxic waste will be just be usable 100% again. So this is the basic. Also from the waste I manage already lots of different opportunity, like constructions for the walls, and from the all these fire protections for walls, for bricks, and all different type of organic materials will be excellent for future, for developing for the houses and factory, and all kind of homeless people can be immediately. They can have also for modernized for the offices or whatever that teaching for the schooling and all. And around the Spain, it will be great for the soundproof, waterproof, and fireproof. Also cooling system inside, because Spain using lots of energy for the cooling systems and for the heating. So we are going to manage totally this we call for the cooling free and heat free. So that means a very new technology will be arrive in Spain as very economical and very practical. So what I am going to do, all these systems will be taught, and they can be immediately managed, and they can do immediately to take directly for themselves, they can use. And also I am going to teach the people how they can do immediately agricultural newest programs. We can reset all these unusable places, which is unbalanced. We call that already without fertilizer and everything. We can use all the land, not misuse. We use all the land very great way, very beneficial for all these agricultural people. Mainly I have also beautiful newest technology for recycling all kind of dead animal. For example, Spain is very extreme for the fish, and also for the all kind of meats and all this, and chickens and all. And I have already for this industry, we can take all these dead animals to use again, excellent for the animal food. So we are not using anymore that just we don't have to put all these dead animals to directly to the waste. And also I have been living in Spain. I know in Spain also lots of animal waste. All the animal waste, I have a systems, we can collect the whole Spain, the animal waste, and we will give beautiful economy for the farmers, and we will manage this totally for example, all the animal waste will be excellent fertilizer, without toxic, without smell, without all kind of bacteria. So it will be very high potential, high quality the fertilizer. This is also this fertilizer is already, everything is already proved for the very economic and also very big huge area that you can use it. And also when you do use 3 years, 3 times, after 3 times you cannot have that, the all. And one more, which is we are going to also, I am going to teach the people how they can do new technology with all kind of electricities, and all kind of different vehicles will be changed. So this is what I do. I will be also open the gate for all kind of different circumstances. And also for the we have now for different for protections for totally protection for the furniture companies and all textile companies. We have a excellent fire protections. That means in Spain is a very hot country, lots of fire happened, and from now on there is nothing happened that in the house or in the factory or anything for the fire. So for the fire we have also beautiful technology right now arrive, and this is the technology I am going to totally teaching, and that will be start in Spain. And also is another things that again Spain is very hot, and also I am seeing lots of farms, fish farms or animal farms, which is the chicken farms, is very smelly. So also also another toxic waste is already smell, and I have excellent systems and filters, and also in the spraying in the air too, to manage these things. All the farms, chicken farms, will be not smell anymore, and all the animals will be safe, and they can increase the animals, they cannot decrease, they cannot kill the animals because of for the waste, for the another system, which is animals will be less and less, like only just for physically can be just the animal can lose, but not for bacteriologically, or not for any kind of which is from the system, from the the hotness or something. Yes. Of course, that I was informing. Also, I am again informing now from here to the our right now the Spanish government, and for the municipalities and all kind of different organizations. Before I was only just giving them which is teaching programs and the products, but I was getting back. For example, I was having from them the help and some kind of understanding. Of course, it was in the beginning was difficult because I had only products, and this products was very new for the world, and application and all this thing was very revolutionary, and then they was very much having, and as I told, I was only able to give that some products as a bulk, which is this projects was done only just as a materials like but this moment is I have already the systems when I am sitting around the world, and they are very, very excited. I am sure now that in the systems, when they are hearing here also, and same time I was informing the world very that was 5 months ago I start for all over the government, and there is no government in the planet they will say no, because they all want it. They want all that invited, and then they are really excited, and just right now is the moment arrive. I am very glad that just also I am informing here. I am sure that when I am informing now that through you guys and from the media and everything, and also I am going to write the letter for directly president. I am ready for that, and then I am sure 100%. So the government will be immediately respond, because this is the projects which is completed. So this completions is really excellent happen. But before was only we have a missing, because the people was doing themselves, which is I was not really totally have the time to be give total how to use application. But now I have already understood with the systems is 100% is very different and very effective. It is very special question. This for me is very, very important. I love that give the messages from here, all Spanish people, and all for of course through the Spain, that which is for the world. Now I will go for two different way to bring this beautiful solution for Spain. One, with the teaching programs and workshops. Second, I am bringing here directly all the systems, and already developed, and already I invest myself to many different way, just they're ready to teach and how to use. And also all, I am sure all the Spanish right now that from A to Z people all over the Spain has these solutions and has need totally, which is this solution is not only one group of people. This not only just for the government, also for all over the people in Spain. So I am ready to introduce what we can do with these all systems. With all systems, wherever they are going to be bring the solution for their area from all kind of environmental and also economical. So I am going to teach each individual area I go to make programs, workshops and teaching program that will be free from me. That will be, I am just going to be teach the people, and I am going to apply, and I am just managing all this area. I am going to show also in the media and everything for the river, how we can just clean, how we can do, how we can make this beautiful Spain to back to like 100, 200 years before. So that's why I am very, very excited to come in, enter, and then really to associate with the combine all beautiful people in Spain. I am really feeling welcoming, and same time I will be welcome them, I will invite them immediately to make actions, which is that I am ready, and I will be very happy to be supply all kind of help necessary. Yes.